Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wanted to create a full song with just a few clicks? With Suno AI, it's now possible. No music production skills needed. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I will show you how to make your own song from start to finish using Suno AI. First of all, go to suno.ai and sign up using your Google or Discord account. Click sign up. You can sign up with your phone number or Facebook account, Discord, Apple, or Microsoft account. Choose your account and continue. Once you're logged in, you will land on the dashboard where you can start generating music right away. First of all, click the create button from left sidebar. You will get two main options, custom mode or instrumental autopilot. Custom mode for writing your own lyrics. To let AI handle it, for this tutorial we will use custom mode to create a full song with lyrics. Now it's time to add your lyrics. You can either paste pre-written lyrics or write directly into the prompts box. For lyrics, I will use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT, log into your account, and write here, type here, write a song lyrics about summer romance. Make sure your lyrics have a clear structure like bars 1, pre-chorus, verse, bars 2, etc. Then copy the lyrics and paste into Suno AI. A minute. Okay. For free version, Suno has some limitation. Just I will use 4 line for this tutorial. Then choose the genre or click the create button from here. You can add instrumental option, EDM or etc. Then click create. Suno also lets you describe the style using prompts like 80s pop with synth, lo-fi, pop, hip hop, or sad aesthetic, acoustic guitar. But be specific to guide the AI better. Then play the music. That's good. If you enable the instrumental, just create the music but not song. So toggle it off and click create again. And Suno will generate your full song in about 1 to 2 minutes. You will see a playable audio track. Click play again. That's good. So cool, bro. If the melody or voice isn't what you like, just hit remix or change the genre or style and generate again. Each version is unique, so experiment until it sounds just right. Once happy, click the arrow icon or three dot icon, then click download in MP3 audio, then click download anyway. You will get an MP3 file with your full AI generated song. You can use it for YouTube intros, background music, Reels, or TikToks. Just make sure to check Sonos licensing terms before using it commercially. Suno also lets you share your songs directly with others or collaborate with other users. There's a growing community where you can get inspired, give feedback, or remix someone else's song. Then click save or choose location from your desktop. Now listen the song.
Somebody tangled in your hair, golden hours we used to share, laughing like we had no time to lose. Barefoot
Version 2.
hours, sunlight tangled in your hair, golden hours we used to share, laughing like we had no time to lose. Barefoot dreams and ocean blues. The sand whispers.
So easy to use. That's how easy it is to create a full song using Suno AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI music tutorials. Comment below what kind of song you are going to create first. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.